Good morning. I am your teacher. Today we will learn about cleanliness and waste management. Cleanliness, yay! Cleanliness is next to godliness. We have heard this phrase many times, but do we follow this? A lot of people don't, even though we should. However, some of us don't even respect the people who clean the trash. There are a lot of cons for not maintaining cleanliness. Cleanliness should be followed by everyone. Let's find more about it. Introduction of cleanliness. Cleanliness means that there is no dirt, no dust, no stains, no bad smells. The goals of cleanliness are health, beauty, absence of offensive odor, and to avoid the spreading of dirt contaminants to oneself and others. With the help of cleanliness, we can keep our physical and mental health clean, which can make us feel good. Cleanliness gives rise to good character by keeping body, mind, and soul clean and peaceful. Maintaining cleanliness is the essential part of healthy living because it is cleanliness only which keep help us to improve the personality by keeping clean externally and internally. It's it is everybody's responsibility and one should keep themselves and their surroundings clean and hygienic. It also brings good and positive thoughts in the mind, which shows down the accessories of disease. Now let us learn about importance of cleanliness. Sanitation and neatness play an important role in our day-to-day routine. It is important as it prevents dangerous diseases like dengue, typhoid, hepatitis, and other diseases caused by mosquito bites, etc. Diseases like jaundice, chalaria, accessories, ringworm, scabies, etc. can be spread due to eating contaminated food, drinking contaminated water, or living in an unhygienic condition. Trash also spread bad odor, which is difficult to tolerate. There will be also an accumulation of trash and dirt if clean measures aren't taken. Now, students, we will learn about some clean habits that should be followed by watching a nice video. One should always wash their hands before eating. We should brush your teeth at least twice. No one should litter. Some other rules are that taking a bath every day is mandatory. Washing hands after playing is also essential. Covering your nose while sneezing or covering your mouth while yawning is also necessary. If someone has pets and rodents in their home, they must get rid of them as soon as possible. One must cover their food. Now, students, let us learn about waste management and related issues. You have heard of National Camping of Swachh Bharat. It has been taken up in India with full gusto. In short, the main aim of Swachh Bharat or Clean India campaigning is to solve the sanitation problem and waste management in India. In our country, managing waste and other related issues is a big bottleneck for the development of our country. Let us learn more about the waste management. Now, let us learn about what is waste management. Managing the waste generated out of households, schools, offices, hospitals, etc. is called as waste management. The waste generated by above mentioned sources is called as the solid waste. It is the responsibility of municipality to dispose the solid waste in a correct manner. But citizens have a huge role to play in this too, as they are main generation of this kind of waste. Solid waste mostly includes all type of paper waste, plastic waste, food waste, glass, metal, clothes and textiles, rubber, leathers, etc. Industrial waste, hospital waste, and e waste also form part of the solid waste. Now, let us study how is the waste management done. The disposal of different types of solid waste is done in different ways. One of the most common ways to dispose the solid waste is to burn. But burning only reduces the volume of waste and is not an effective method to dispose of. It also gives rise to gases which pollute the environment. Any unburnt waste again pipes up and acts as breeding ground for insects and rats. Landfills are another method used to dispose of the solid waste. Here, waste are dumped in huge pit and then covered with dirt. Even though this is seen as an alternative to open garbage dumping and burning. Landfills are not an effective solution. There is a huge possibility of seepage of chemicals into the groundwater as well polluting the land. Hospital waste is generally disposed of by incineration method. E-waste is also generated in huge numbers and has to be disposed of effectively. Any part that can be recycled to extract the metals from the e-waste is generally done. The rest of the e-waste is either incinerated or it goes into a landfill. Now let us learn about the 3 R's of waste management. The 3 R's of waste managements are reduce, reuse and recycle. All the waste that is generally generated by humans can be classified as biodegradable waste, non biodegradable waste, and recyclable waste. Here, sorting out the waste is the first step in efficient waste management. Once this is done, disposing of the waste becomes quite an easy process. Saturation of waste, hence, is an important aspect of managing waste. And saturation starts at the source, right from the point where it is generated. This saturation helps in sorting out materials that can be recycled or reused. With this, we can also achieve reduced waste production. Apart from the clearly known sources of pollution, recent times have also seen the negative effects of chemicals, pesticides, radioactive waste, etc. There are growing concerns about ozone depletion, global warming, greenhouse effect, and climate change. All these, all these issues have to be addressed effectively too, so as to reduce their harmful effects on our environment. Okay, so now I will be asking you some questions and you have to answer that questions in the comment box below. Question number 1. List some clean habits that should be followed that are not mentioned in this video. And the question number 2, that will be last question. When was the Swachh Bharat mission officially launched? Option A 2nd October 2014, option B 2nd October 2013, option C 2nd October 2015, and option D 2nd October 2016. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Also, like our video. So bye.